We're going to do a brief video on LLY stock news, Eli Lilly Stock, LLY, and we've got a daily chart here of Eli Lilly for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. We're going to show you a weekly chart in a minute. This is a daily, and as you can see, this stock is up significantly today. We're currently at $338, up $26, almost $27 on about 5.5 million shares. Normal volume on this stock is 2.5 million shares a day. So Eli Lilly's up today over 8%. Let's take a look and see what's going on. We see that it's in a bull market. It's above the 200-day moving average, but it's been sideways here since the beginning of August, and now we've had this huge breakout and new highs for this rally. And you can see we've got a high today of 341, and again currently trading at about 337. So what's going on with this stock? Well, the reality of it is we've got this huge gap here from roughly, let's expand it out, yesterday's high of 313 to today's low of 328. So whatever that is, 15 bucks. That gap's almost certainly going to be filled. You can see we had a gap here. I'm pointing to right here on June 23rd through the 24th, and that was eventually filled here in August, and some gaps here June 10th, and that was eventually filled. So this stock does have some moderate tendency to gap. There's another gap right here on December 15th, and then filled again a month later. So you can look for this gap to be filled in this stock. It's not a guarantee, but it's a very high probability that Eli Lilly will fill this gap. LLY is not a huge gapping stock, but it does gap, and it does usually fill it back up. So you have some risk in here from the 327 to the 316 range when we get back to it. Now the question is, when will we get back to it? Let's go take a look at the weekly chart. Same thing, a 200-day, a 200-week moving average, a 20-week moving average, and a 5-week moving average. And we can see that this stock's been in a tremendous bull market all the way back since March of 18. So it's not surprising that we get a rally here. It is kind of a surprise if you look at the price at the steepness of the rally. And as you can see, the last time we had a very steep rally like this was back in December of 2021, and we tanked about a month later. So look for a sell-off in this rally, especially if it continues a little bit further, but not a tremendous disaster, just a sell-off probably down to about 312-ish to fill the gaps and get the technical look of the stock back to where it needs to be. That's what this stock does, and that's what I would expect this stock to do in the near future. Again, we're looking at over the next month period of time. I'd look for Eli Lilly to maybe rally a little bit, but to come back down and fill this gap in about the 316, 315 level is what I would look to see this price at a month out from now. And then it's anybody's guess. We'd have to take a look at it. But my best guess would be the stock will continue to go up because it's been continuing to go up and it's in a bull market. So that's my best guess for Eli Lilly. LLY is a stock symbol. We do not carry this price for some reason, this stock on rbamresearch.com, but we do carry 190 stocks. They're out every morning before 7 a.m. for the most liquid stocks that we can find. I think that's probably why we don't cover Lilly. It's not that liquid, but in terms of volume. But we do cover 190 plus stocks. So you see Apple, NIO, Tesla, all before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, absolutely free, no credit card required. We have 1, 5, and 20-day holds, and you can get them all absolutely free at rbamresearch.com. Just go over there, follow the link in the description below. No credit card required. Put your email address in there and get access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. We put out buy prices for the stocks, and we put out buys or shorts for the forex, crypto, and futures. Again, no credit card required. Link in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you like moving averages and the way we use them to describe stocks, please let us know, pro or con, in the section below. We'd love to hear from you in the comment section. And please keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our analysis and entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can only use them for entertainment, can't use them for anything else. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.